Everyone, this is Kipo Vlog. It's a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Kaya gawa tayo ng reaction video sa Gilman compilation pero alam niyo may balita ako. Bakit panay padala ng bulaklak ni Emma? Charis. Hindi ko alam kung confirm to pero yan na yung balita ko talaga. Panay daw ang padala ng bulaklak kahit nasa malayo. LDR every week. Hindi mo kaya yun. Di ba? Every week. Ikaw ba naman milyon-milyon na yung kinikita mo kahit bulaklak hindi ka magpapadala sa minamahal mo. Charis. Eman really knows how to capture the heart of Jillian Wards talaga. Yan lang yung masasabi ko. He really knows how to play. Kasi hindi naman play. Manuyo. Okay. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, ano to?
You think genetic yan? You think
I think so.
namana mo kahit
I think
paano?
so.
Parang you have
Siguro.
no anger
Siguro,
issues. So,
genetic.
you're so gentle eh. When you talk to me, napaka-soft-spoken. Nag-iiba ka ba
Actually.
pagdating sa ring?
Ay, oo.
First,
ito.
number one, I remove mercy.
No mercy.
No
Okay,
mercy.
very good.
That's
Yeah, that's tama, you know, because you're in the ring. That's,
That's my problem. Masyado daw akong mabait.
Charis.
Sabi ng
oh,
daddy ko. Huwag mo akong gayahin. Some other fights, hindi ko talaga nag-give yung best ko. Only if I say, to be honest, 70 to 50.
70. 50 to 70% ka pa lang.
Pinupull ko lagi yung punches ko kasi hindi ko pa na-perfect yung sariling style ko. I
Talaga
can
ba?
call it
Sa
my
galing-
own style
Sa
actually
galing
kasi
niya ganyan?
hindi ko pa kahit kabisado pati yung mga galaw ko.
A lot of the girls out there have a crush on you,
Ayan.
right? You
Ayan,
really are
mga
very good
karabya-
looking
mga
and then you
karibal.
are so God-loving pa,
Yes.
so that's wonderful. So, what do you like? So, may girlfriend ka ba ngayon? Yan ang number one
Ayan.
question.
No, actually no.
Wala. I know
Wala.
you're in the church something. Anong ginagawa mo doon?
Drums po.
Drums. Okay, natural talent yun. Hindi ka nag-lessons.
Hindi po. Just
Okay.
self-taught po yung
Oh, so
Ako.
padala lang. Sorry, Manny,
Okay lang
binubo ko
po,
na
okay
kita. Pero talagang si Manny napakabait at ang dami na nuloko sa kanya. Pero tawa lang siya ng tawa. Do not tawa. It's not good, okay?
Yun na tao.
Eman,
Tao, it's not.
good boy, bad boy.
Good boy.
Pacman, Superman.
Pacman.
Papa's boy, mama's boy.
Mama's boy.
Guwapo, macho.
Guwapo.
Maangas,
Guwapo.
maamo.
Ma'am.
Maginoo, pilyo.
Maginoo.
Suwabe, torpe.
Suwabe.
Lapitin, takbuhin.
Lapitin.
Sagutan, suntukan.
Sagutan.
Yakapan, halikan.
Halikan.
Ay, halika.
I feel pogi kapag
After workout.
I feel sexy kapag
After pray.
mas kamukha mo, si
Kasi
Piolo o si
diretso,
Manny.
hindi siya nag
Man.
Mas kaugali mo,
Hindi
daddy,
siya nag-
mommy.
Ma'am.
Crush mong artistang Pinay.
Jillian.
Jillian Ward.
Ay,
Jillian Ward. Kinilig naman ako.
Si
1 to 10,
kinilig.
gaano mo kamahal ang boxing?
10.
Number 1 to
Kinilig talaga
10,
si Mama
gaano
Joanna.
ka interesado sa showbiz?
7.
Yeah, did you sign with Sparkle?
Secret.
Secret! Congratulations! 1 to 10, gaano mo kagustong ligawan si Jillian Ward? Wala yan dito. 5 ngayon?
Five?
Talaga?
Ngayon,
Lights on or
kasi
lights
hindi
off?
pa sila nag-meet
Happiness
during
and
that time,
chocolate.
di ba?
Best time for happiness.
All the time.
Complete
Ay, all the
this.
time.
Handa na akong
Makinig sa mga
Genuine
plano ng Panginoon.
Yun din talaga siya kasi hindi diretso yung
kung
sagot
ikay
niya.
isang
Yun
boxing
yung
move, ano ka?
Ay,
I'm a straight.
I'm a straight.
I'm gay.
I'm gay.
Sarap tumawa ni ano. Ang sarap tumawa ni Eman. Sabi niya, I'm straight. Sabi ko, I'm gay.
Anyway, I want to really help you. So if there's any way, Emma, that I can help you, you just let me know. Okay? But anyway, thank you. Because I've never seen someone so pure in heart, so loving the Lord. And I think it's really going to be an inspiration to a lot of people. So please welcome Emma Pacquiao. Hi! 1 week. I'm so shocked. In 1 week, you went from being unknown, young boy, pagkabata, wala naman masyado nakakilala, to a celebrity. So everybody, ganun pabilis talaga ng social media. A lot of the girls out there have a crush on you, right? You really are very good looking, and then you are so God-loving. So that's wonderful. I will pray for you all the time. And I really feel you will reach, as long as you stay focused, nakatingin ka sa goal mo, and always bring your mother and your dad with you. Kasi they have to protect you from, they really love you. And they have to protect you from many people who will not be done fake friends. So you are getting so, gusto mo padala ng gano'n kasi yung tatay mo Sorry, Manny, binubo ko na kita. Pero talagang si Manny napakabait at ang dami na naloko sa kanya. Pero tawa na siya ng tawa. Anyway,
Tawa na siya ng tawa.
Thank you, God. much for letting Ewan come here. Oh, come with us to our spoiling Ewan for the day. I'm so happy to be something. One day we'll be so rich.
One day will reach. Actually, reach na nga talaga siya. Reach na nga talaga siya.
Oo, talaga. Thank you. Promise, ha?
Ay, thank you so much. Grabe, no? Hindi lang basta thank you, kundi thank you so much. Bello baby naman siya. Alam mo, bello baby siya. Ito.
Maybe next week na
Next
naman.
week.
We don't know.
Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Pag nagkakausap kayo ng daddy mo, ano ang laging paalala niya sa'yo?
Always pray to the Lord. Seek His guidance.
And when you pray to the Lord, naniniwala ka na dapat ang prayer ay specific.
Opo, syempre naman.
Your mom is a pastor. Mama, no? At napakaganda niya. Nakita ko siya dito sa studio.
you po.
She's a beautiful, beautiful lady. Oh, totoo. First time kong makita. So, specific.
Yes.
Ngayon, na 10 ang happiness mo, maganda ang nangyayari sa buhay mo, what is your prayer?
Continue to guide me, Lord. Sana hindi po ako magbago. Yung alam niyo po, mayabang, ganun, lumaki ang ulo. Kasi kasagaran po sa mga boxers, ganun din po ang problema. Ayoko rin po kasi gusto ko lang po talaga i-glorify si God sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. I don't care about the fame or money. Gusto ko lang manalo, i-honor din yung
Gusto ko
mama
lang
ko.
manalo.
At malinis yung pangalan ng mama ko. Tsaka,
Malinis ang mga nangalan.
God willing, patayo po
Ay.
kami ng sarili pa namin church.
Malinis ang pangalan.
Pero, konting debate lang ha. Pag halimbawa nasa ring ka at inuupakan mo yung kalaban mo, how do you glorify God?
Grabe yung term.
By winning
Inuupa.
and saying na
Pero duguan yung kalaban mo.
it's a sport po kasi yan po yung
Hindi, gusto ko lamang subukan yun. Kasi minsan hindi ko maintindihan yan. Mahilig ako manood ng boxing, mahilig ako sa MMA. Pero sabi ko, I know it's a sport. Pero di ba minsan, you know, how do you reconcile glorifying Him and then your sport demands that, you know, you win and you fight and you hurt.
by having faith po na mananalo ka, na lahat po ng pinagdaanan mo sa buhay is God's plan po.
At saka playing fair. Di ba? Playing fair. Kasi nung huli mong hindi, at least isang laban na napanood ko, yung hindi ko masyado kilala yung mga boxers. Hindi yung huli. Yung huli kasi sabi mo malakas sumuntok, di ba? Pero may nakalaban ka sa yung gwapong black guy. Pero parang nagalit ka doon.
Opo.
Nagalit-
Kasi first time ko po makalaban ng trash talker. Ganun po. Ano niya po ako, pati pamilya ko. So
Okay.
parang nagagalit po ako, parang ganun.
So, totoo yung nakita kong emosyon.
Opo.
Sabi ko parang nagagalit si Eman doon.
Opo, nanggigigil po ako.
Nagta-trash talk.
Opo.
Nakaka-apekto yun. Hindi yun bawal sa boxing?
Hindi naman po.
Okay. But you will never do that. Di ba?
That's against image of God.
Dapat sabihin mo rin, God bless you. Di ba? Para, pag nagkakausap,
Bakit ka raw nila binubuli?
Kasi anak po daw ako ni Pacquiao.
Ay, ituloy natin to. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.